Hey guys, this is Cody with A-Team Roofing. I want to tell you about a beautiful project we just finished here in Collierville, Tennessee. We came out originally, met with the homeowner, and performed an inspection. It took over 2 hours. You can see the size of this roof and the steepness. Upon our inspection, we noticed wind damage, and more specifically, that was caused because this roof was installed in the wintertime. You're supposed to hand seal the shingles so that later in the spring, the sun can heat activate the mastic and the roof can seal well. Because this wasn't done, it led to a lot of sliding shingles, a lot of shingles being creased and missing. And the homeowner ended up calling their insurance. We were able to meet the adjuster, and this turned into a project that was fully covered by insurance. Then we were able to meet with the homeowner and pick out some beautiful Atlas Stormmaster slate shingles, do some valley metal and some copper accents to make it a really beautiful project. Check out these photos of the finished work.